Cosy getting it, Joe.
Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical. On today's video, we're working in a shop. Look at this for a cosy squeeze. Let's get into this. Right then, so we are on the way to York. We've got 3 in the van. This is the shop we're working in then. So we've got some pictures sent over then. So we've got, it's all suspended ceiling. There's these light fittings going in. So look at that, nice little base, nice little domey thing. It's going to be a bookshop, so they want 11 of these fitted. So it's going to look pretty, like loads of moons everywhere. So it should look pretty cool. Yeah, this is the board, which we don't need to know because it's just replacements. But yeah, it should be a pretty cool one. So basically with York, you can work in the middle till about 10:30 and then they close the barriers and you can't get out. So yeah, we're going to try and rattle it off pretty sharpish with a lot of us, so we can get it in, out, done. So as you know from the past, it takes ages to go from town, park up in like Marygate or something like that, walk through the park, even though you get to see the nice squirrels and that. It's a bit of a detour in it, Bri, to walk through, and then you've got to cart all your gear back through, like your ladders and your bag, and your shoulders are dropping off by the end of it, aren't they? So yeah, we're going to try and get it done in about 2 hours, hopefully. There we go, Sophie's Cafe, Bri, where we parked up. York's looking lovely in the morning. Look at that. Right, we've got a diversion, so it's not ideal. That's the main route into York, so that should be fun. There we go, bottom side of York. This is where we want to be. Try not to hit the man. That's a woman. We have made it. Getting a bit crampy in there. Right then, so this is the mission then. Working in that yellow building there. It's a little poetry bookshop opposite Waterstones. That's interesting. Look at that. Get the traffic fall coming for the books. Alright, gear out and we better get cracking. There we go. It's alright, hustle and bustle before 10:30. And that's it, all the vans and bin men have got to be out. Hello, welcome to the Finney Electrical Sweat Shop. Right, so we have Jonah on
£1 an hour.
£1 an hour. Oh, 50p for Jonah. So Jonah's getting these preps in. So it's 2 fingers. 2 fingers down. We've got 8 fingers there, and then we're going to wiggle these up. The brackets, Brian's getting these in front of these boxes. So we're just going to pull a bracket, get these cables so it's dead, through your bracket into your light fitting. So we'll get that fixed, and then it's up, up, up. The lights go. Right, I'm going to kill the power to these. So we'll have to kill a 600x600, get the access to those cables to the driver, bring it through a fancy tile and a normal tile, because they're a bit floppy, these tiles, you see. I'll show you. So if we just went straight to this, I think it'd end up just pulling out the ceiling. It's like Rolf Harris, isn't it? Let the music play. So these are coming out. Dust on it. Get it on the dust sheet. Oh sweet, so it's just one in. And are they on clicks? They're on clicks even. No, look. So we are laughing. There we go. Undo your click, even better, we can even see. Went for a treat. There we go, got one bracket up. It's battened out. Nice piece of wood up there. That should be solid, never coming down, that'll do. Right then, so just going to drill next to this then. So this has got a big cup essentially, so we're going to drill anywhere in this D or that D. So just going to drill up this side because the wood's this side. Get us a little bit of a click through. So I'll chop this off. That's him through, get him wired up, get him screwed in from the sides. Jobs are good. And right, let me check on the Jonah Sweat Shop. Look at that, look at this production line. So we'll only need 2s now on these because they're flick plugs, but the next ones make 2s. But yeah, that's perfect. Look at that, easy peasy. Now we've got the click stripped, so let's get this inserted then. So these make it super easy. Vargo, away you go. So you just open it up, get your conductor in, close him up, easy. What do you think of Clicks, Jonah. Do you like them? Do you like clicks and you like Wagos? What are they? Oh, Brian is embarrassing us now, isn't he?
What clicks?
No, clicks. You click roses and you literally just slot it in, click. I think Jonah's got the memory of a goldfish. There we go, that's the sides getting screwed in now. So once you get to the top, see it's got a little slot here, you just nip it up. You push it up as you tighten it and it nips it up dead nice. But yeah, so with that, and then you get your shade on. Jobs are good un. There we go, we're clicked back in. So they're not too bad, nice and bright. It's gonna have a nice little vibe to this place. Right, let's get some shades on then. Let's get shady. Slim Shady over here. Oh no, beautiful. Sweatshop time, we're gonna blast all these out in about an hour. Mission complete. Hey, we did it! Look at that, 10:30, the barrier's closed, it's 10:26. We've made it out and it started snowing, look at this. It's a winter wonderland ride, and there we go, there's the evil barriers. Before it was just like, I don't think it had barriers, you just leave where you want really, but...
Can't do it now.
No, look at this, winter wonderland. We're going to turn right, Brian.
Alright, right.
Even though it says please that turn right, but we need to, if not we're going to hit all that traffic. There we go. But we made it, the great escape, the great light escape we'll call it. Thank you very much, Mr. Audi. Run over the women. And the Minster is there again to greet us on the way out. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, we've got a post-match interview. What do you think, Jonah? How do you find that?
It was alright.
What have you learned?
Steady. Nothing. It's just been the same.
Nothing?
It's the same, innit?
It's the same, innit?
I have learned how to use speed and not mess up.
Oh, there we go. He's actually sped up today, Brian.
Tell you what,
and he hasn't messed up.
That's a bold statement.
That is a bold statement for Brian. Bold statement. Yeah. There we go. Got cracked a smile from Jonah.
Did you miss his head?
I'm not there.
It's Sarah's face, isn't it?
Going down.
You go.
I don't look at you.
This guy's the full car.
Turn round, Jonah.
Got his head.
That'd have been a good shot.
Too cold.
Oh.
I'm gonna get done here, right? Hang on, shower drinking back. No, I'll leave it to it then. In a bit. Oh, don't get me down, Jonah. Go on then. Oh. Right, see you later, lads. Right, back to business. Get rid of my snout. Right, I am back into York then. So I've just been whizzing around doing an EICR actually. But yeah, we're back on the bridge. There we go. Nice little bridge. This is what we passed earlier. And we are going to do some more EICR remedials this time. Yeah, we've just got one property, we've got 3 smokes to do. Well, 2 smokes and a heat. It's like a battery version and a dome light to replace. And then that'll be us done for today really. There might be a little piddly job for a dimmer to replace for a woman. She books her ideas up. Oh, we might be going to a school actually to sort some bits out. So we shall see, we shall see. Alright, the dimmer didn't pull off, but we're in a school now. So we've got a call saying we want, basically this is like a hoist to hoist disabled people off the floor. And yeah, it's got these big massive 12 volt 7 amp hour batteries, so we've got 2 of them to swap. So I literally got here just in time with the traffic, identified that, and I want a socket down here for to charge the wheelchair so they don't run out of juice, they're not stuck in the wheelchair. So that's what we're going to do. So we've got a waterproof sockets. This is a shower room. It's going down there, so we're going to bang it there, bit of conduit up. There's power there, which is on the fuse spare at the door. So I'm just going to go flex outlet, bang that cable into there. The cable coming out of that will bring it to this flex outlet and cable down to your socket. So it's just going to be low power use only. But yeah, it's going to be limited to 13 amps, which is the fuse spare 13 amps. And that's all she wrote. So we'll get this installed, get the batteries popped in here, and then we can lift up disabled people and they can wheel about in the chair. There we go. Can't do this one-handed. There we go, job's a good one. We have a socket, the hoist is powered back up, a bit of tying up to do, and then that'll be today done. Now we're at the Monastery of St Joseph's, Porclair Collections, I can't say that, Glentines. But yeah, I'm just helping him mate move a house now, move his stuff from his house. I bet you can't see me, can you? Yeah, this is the end. A little bonus footage for you. Hardly, it's pitch black. Right then, so that's all we've got time for today then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. Come on, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment, because I want to know who's commenting and who's watching these videos. We've got loads of people watching the videos, and you're not all subscribed, and you're not all like the video. But yeah, it just helps us go out to more people on YouTube, and then we can get more money, and then we can start investing more into the YouTube channel, start doing some giveaways and stuff like that. But at the moment, yeah, we're running at a loss until that day. But we don't mind, because we like making this kind of content for you guys. So if you appreciate this in the chat, give us some love, press the little love heart thing on the chat, the live chat, and we'll see you next week. Have a good one, Sunday crew.